Hello students, welcome to Tuteetute. I am Vishnu, faculty for electrical engineering. I have did my MTech from NIT Calicut. I have trained more than 10,000 students all over India in the field of GATE and assistant engineer and state level PSUs also. Okay, so in this what we will be seeing means the strategy for electrical engineering GATE. You know one thing, right? Okay, so GATE exam is most prestigious exam. It will not come in a month. It will not come in a 2 months of preparation. You need a selective preparation and there should be a targeted preparation. So what I am going to discuss with you today is the preparation strategy for your electrical exam preparation. See, this strategy will be useful for your GATE 2023 or even for your GATE 2024. Okay, so what we will be seeing in this video, so first we will check the syllabus and what is the subject wise weightage and what we have to focus first, where we have to start our preparation, all these things. Okay, so how to get the maximum marks also. Okay, how to push our rank towards the maximum. Okay, we will see all these things in this video. Okay, let's see for electrical engineering. So you may know directly, okay, so there are 12 subjects are there. In 12 subjects we have to prepare accordingly like that. But what subject we have to start? Let's see the syllabus first. Okay, what it is. Okay, so we have the syllabus of mathematics, quantitative aptitude, circuits, controls, signals, analog electronics, digital electronics, electromagnetic fields, power system, machines, measurements, and power electronics also. These are all our subjects, right? Where we have to start our preparation. So for that, you have to divide the syllabus into two parts. Okay, so I'm just dividing this entire syllabus into two parts. Okay, entire EE syllabus we will be dividing into two parts. What are those two parts means? So the standard of syllabus. Okay, so wherever this syllabus, okay, so syllabus has been designed, wherever this examination they are setting the question paper, which model of questions they will be giving. Based on that, I am just giving you two model of questions. Okay, so two model of preparation of subjects. Okay, so what is these two models means? Okay, so let's see. So first type will be so electric circuits. Okay, so I am writing circuits. Okay, control systems, signals and systems. Okay, signals and systems, analog electronics. Okay, so digital electronics. Okay, so these are the subjects, okay, who will give you maximum number of marks. Okay, let's see what is the number of marks they are giving in the exam actually. Okay, so circuits you will get 8 to 10 marks. Okay, so maximum. Sometimes you will get 10 marks, sometimes you will get 8 marks. It is definite you will get around 8 marks. Okay, so remember, out of 8 you can definitely get out of 8. Okay, whenever you practice properly. Okay, so next one is control systems. In this also you are getting around 10 marks. Signals and systems we will get around 8 marks or little bit less. Okay, that means 7 marks. Okay, so in this analog electronics and digital electronics combined you will get around 12 marks or 11 marks. Okay, so maximum I'm just giving you, so because you should not miss any marks. So remember one thing, whatever these subjects I'm giving, so these all subjects, how many marks are there, just observe one thing. Okay, so 10 marks combinedly 20 marks. Okay, so total around 35 to 40 marks are there. I'm just writing as 40 marks. 40 marks it is. Okay, what is the qualification for GATE electrical? You have to get at least of 29 to 35 according to question paper. Okay, if the question paper is tougher, then it will become 29. If the question paper is easy, it will go to 35 or sometimes it will be little bit more also. So for the OC category, I am just telling you, if you are BC category or SC ST category, so little bit of less mark. Okay, so that means instead of 35 it will be 33. Okay, like that. Okay, so anyway you see, okay, so we will always check about this 35 only. You already got this. So if 1 or 2 questions are wrong, it's okay, you will get out 35. That is very good mark. Okay, so 35 means you will be getting a qualification and you are in the almost like you have crossed 75% of the students whoever writing the gate exam in electrical, 75% you have already crossed. Okay, so from here each and every mark is important. Okay, let's see what are those other things. Okay, so let's take the next subject, power electronics. Okay, so what is power electronics, why it is so important? See, day by day, okay, year by year, the power electronics questions, they are concentrating more, and those are based on the formula. Those are, and some conceptual questions also there. Okay, I will tell you next model of subjects whatever we have to prepare. Power electronics. Okay, so first power electronics, next electromagnetic fields we have to prepare, then machines. Okay, so machines, power systems, and measurements. Okay, so these are the other subjects. Okay, you see all the subjects have been covered. Okay, so what is the every subject, how many marks they will be giving? Power electronics, about 8 to 10 marks they are giving. Electromagnetic fields, they are giving nowadays more. Okay, so 5 to 7 marks sometimes. Okay, so if the circuit questions are less, means EMF questions are more. Okay, so we have to concentrate. Okay, and remember one thing, if you are comfortable with electromagnetic fields, study with circuits only, it's okay, no problem. If you want to start with power systems, your preparation, if you want to start with the power systems, it's okay, just start your preparation. Okay, so anyway, just see the machines, you will get around 10 to 12 marks. Okay, so there are 4 machines, you know, right? Your electrical engineering means you will be knowing. Okay, so 4 machines are there, each and every machine they will be giving 3 to 4 marks. Okay, sometimes only one question will be there. From DC there may be 1 or 2 questions, otherwise remaining all you will be getting equal weightage only. Okay, and remember, from the transformers you will get the questions which are definitely, okay, so whatever models are present, you can able to answer those things. Okay, if you have the practice properly. Okay, and the next power systems you will be getting 10 to 15 marks you will get. Okay, and next measurements, nowadays you are getting 4 to 5 marks only, and even sometimes it will be less than that. Okay, so sometimes 3 marks also. Okay, you can observe what is the total number of marks you will be getting. So 10 to 15 here, 10 to 15 here, and 7 and 7, like that. If you take the average, okay, so you will get around, so it is 45 marks you will get around. Okay, so total of 45. Understood, right? And remember one thing, this is all maximum we are writing. Okay, it's not like here we have 40, here we have 45, total it is 85 completed, only 15 remaining, means this is the maximum we can expect. Okay, sometimes from the machines you may get 10 marks only, from the power system so you may get only 10. Okay, so like that, so there will be little bit less weightage sometimes. Okay, some subjects they will increase, some subjects they will decrease. Okay, so just take it as a average. Okay, so little bit higher content only we have to prepare whenever you are preparing. Okay, so and mathematics and quantitative aptitude, so these are, okay, so for everyone these are the same. How much tougher these are means you have to be an average student. And one thing you have to remember, whatever subject you are preparing circuits now. Today you are preparing circuits, spend 1 hour with mathematics, that's enough. What will be there in mathematics? 5 or 6 units will be there. Okay, calculus, linear algebra, differential equations, like this 5 or 6. Okay, so whatever you are preparing, whatever subject you are preparing, okay, you are starting with analog electronics for example. Okay, then start mathematics also. Okay, so 1 hour you spend on this mathematics also. Okay, so like that, within like 1 month you will definitely get this mathematics. Understanding, right? So what you have to do, you have divided like this. These are all, you see, the core part these are. Okay, so electrical core part, these are also electrical subjects only, but you have fixed formulas for everything. You take any subject, okay, so you have fixed formulas, otherwise fixed methods to get the answer. Okay, you see the circuits all are fixed, there are no much more improvements in the questions, but whatever previous questions if you are solving, almost 90% you will be getting from this only. Okay, similarly same control systems, fixed methods, these are signals and systems, analog and digital electronics. Okay, so these are all so scoring subjects. Okay, so you should not do any mistakes once you practice all the previous year questions from this. Okay, so take some material or see the previous year questions whatever we are providing, and you will get all the questions. Okay, so all the model of questions you will understand from this, and you can able to answer all these. Okay, so you have to get maximum out of this one. Okay, and remember one thing, so from the mathematics and quantitative aptitude you will get around 30 marks. Okay, so 30 marks you are getting means it's not simple. Okay, so if you have properly practiced the mathematics every day 1 hour only, okay, so then within 2 months only, within 1.5 or 2 months only, you will be getting so almost 15 marks. Okay, and in the quantitative aptitude nothing more to worry. Okay, you have to solve previous year questions, and if you don't know some concept, okay, I don't know what is trains and distance, I will see that concept enough. I will see that concept that enough. Okay, so total we will be knowing, right? Okay, 65 questions will be there. Okay, 65 questions will be there, 3 hours of time. Okay, for the GATE exam, so you will be having a little bit of time. Okay, so like whenever you plan properly, so then you will be having a little bit of time. Okay, so anyway, so this all we should not neglect these two parts. Okay, whatever subject you are preparing, simultaneously you have to prepare this mathematics and quantitative aptitude. Okay, in the quantitative aptitude there will be general English also, so these are simple questions only. Okay, remember one thing, any student whoever average, okay, so just average or below average also they can able to solve around. Okay, so in these 15 marks, in the quantitative aptitude 15 marks, they can able to get at least 13. We should not miss these. Okay, you should have basic knowledge, that's enough to get these marks. Okay, so no need to waste the time. Okay, so you may get doubt, to study all these subjects how much time I need. Remember one thing, it depends upon your planning. Okay, so whatever you are planning for your preparation depends upon, you may take 1 month, you may take 2 months, but you see one thing, this many subjects, right? Revision is so important. 1 month only you required, sometimes 2 months only required, but you will forget definitely if you study within 1 month or 2 months. But what you have to do, you have to plan like this. Okay, so first I will complete one subject, next I will complete one subject, next I will complete one subject, like that we have to complete 5 or 6 subjects within a period of 1 month or 1.5 months, or you can fix like, okay, schedules we have to make. Okay, I have to complete within 50 days. Okay, 50 days these things, and these things we have to spend around 60 days. Okay, so we have to plan according to that. Okay, so you see one thing, almost like 4 months you required. Okay, so 4 months you require to prepare for your GATE exam. Okay, so every year GATE exam will be there in the February only. So that means you have to start your preparation before August or even in the August also. Okay, so you can start your preparation in the August also. Okay, so no need to wait for the notification, it will definitely come, and the GATE exam will never postpone. Okay, it will definitely happen in the February first Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so and remember for the electrical also it will be at the beginning only. Okay, so anyway 60 days for this one and 50 days for this one means completely 4 months we have to spend on this one. Then where is the time for revision? So what you have to do whenever you are revising means, you will not read all the concepts, right? You have to revise. You have to revise. Revise means whenever you are preparing these things, then only you have to write down the short notes. Short notes you have to write down. Okay, just for example I'm just telling you, so what is digital electronics? Inside digital electronics what will be there? So okay, so K-map solutions are there. Okay, so SOP and POS solutions we have to do. Okay, just model of questions you need to know. Okay, otherwise you have to just take the previous year questions, solve some previous year questions, you will practice the subject, and that's enough. Okay, and one more thing. Okay, so while revising you have to do one thing, any subject, while you are revising you have to do something, you have to write down the test series. And remember, without test series there are no rankers till now. Whoever is getting on the top, okay, so how they are getting means they are practicing more for GATE exam. So whatever you are preparing, subject is not that much important to get the rank. Okay, so everyone will read the subject, only a few students will practice more for the GATE exam. Whoever write the test series, they will be getting good marks. Okay, so remember one thing, whenever you are writing the test series, definitely will not get the good marks. there will be less mark. Okay, so don't demotivate. Okay, don't demotivate, because where you are writing for the first time means there will be many mistakes you will be doing. Okay, so instead of voltage positive, you will take voltage negative sometimes. So you are doing very silly mistakes also. It's okay to do mistake. Who nobody will see whatever mistake you are doing. Okay, so don't compare with the top ranker every time. Okay, so you can do the mistake and do here only, not in the exam. You are allowed to do the mistakes here, there is no problem at all, but you should not do the same mistake in the main exam. That's what should be in your mind. Okay, so remember one thing, whenever you are writing test series, improve our knowledge, that's it. Test series we are writing not only to test ourselves. Okay, what we are doing, we have to just improve ourselves. That's why we are writing the test series. Okay, so remember that you can get 0 mark also, no problem. Okay, improve that to next level in the next exam. Okay, so this is all our preparation strategy and syllabus. Okay, so anyway, you know already in the exam. Okay, so there will be 31 mark questions and 35 2 marks questions. So there will be negative marking also, remember. Okay, that's why you have to minimize all the mistakes possible. Okay, so you have to be so much selective whenever you are doing some question means you have to be so much selective. Okay, and there are different types of questions. Okay, so you know, multiple choice questions will be there, numerical answer type questions will be there, and multiple select questions will be there. Okay, I have given these things already in some other video. Okay, so anyway, what you have to do to get the qualification, so you have to get around 35 marks. Okay, so no need to qualify. Okay, to get 35 no need to study all these things, you get in the top. Okay, so what will be the below 1000 rank? Okay, so I'm just giving below 1000. If you want to get below 1000 rank, okay, you want to know, right, what is the benefit of below 1000 rank? You can join in IITs. Okay, you can join in IITs. Otherwise, you will be directly selecting for the PSUs. Okay, so PSU, public sector undertakings, directly you can just select for these things for the interview. Attend 10 interviews. There will be 50 plus companies, 50 plus government companies who are recruiting from the GATE exam only. Okay, and soon they may add, when you are writing GATE exam, by that time, by 2023 GATE exam, they will add some more. Okay, so even the BARC is also selecting from the GATE exam also. Okay, so anyway, PSU, so ultimately you can select for this one. Even if you get around 1500 rank, it's okay, you will get the IIT or very good NIT also. Okay, to do the MTech. Okay, so remember, even with the 5000 rank, you can join in NIT, good NIT you can join. Understanding, right? So there are so many seats available, no need to worry about MTech. Okay, so first try for this one. To get this below 1000, what you have to get mark? So it depends upon that year question paper. Generally, you have to try for 75 marks. You have to try for 75 marks. Okay, you observe one thing, to get the 75 marks, it's not so difficult. Okay, you can get 30 out of 30 here. Okay, so mathematics plus this quantitative aptitude, directly we can get 30 out of 30, just practice. Okay, so you can definitely get this one. Okay, so see this 30, for example, let's take for the 40 you got only 30 marks. Okay, so in this generally you can achieve. Okay, so whatever 35 marks they are giving in this, you can achieve that. Okay, there is no problem at all. Okay, so let's take as less. Okay, so we got only 30 in this one. Just think once. Okay, so power electronics machines together, it is giving around 20 marks. Okay, around 20 marks means, so we got already, it is around 60 plus 20, it is 80 marks. Okay, and whatever these measurements, okay, simple subject it is, and you will get whatever 2 marks or 3 marks they are giving, definitely you can get these things. Okay, so remember, you have to minimize the negative marking, that's it, and it's not so difficult. Okay, trust me, once you properly plan something, okay, so definitely it is possible. Okay, so you can try for this 80 and you will definitely get this 75 marks. Okay, so that's how you have to plan for your electrical engineering. Okay, so electrical engineering GATE 2023 or even 24 also you have to prepare like this only. Whenever you are preparing for 2024 exam, you have to be like revise more. Okay, so revise more and read the test series. Okay, you have to be in grip every time. Okay, because you are in the college, then only you will write down the 2024, right? Okay, so that's why, so study your graduation all these subjects. With that, so every day you just spend 2 or 3 hours for the GATE exam. Okay, so the same strategy in a slow mode you have to complete this one. Okay, if you are preparing for 2024. Okay, so anyway, let's see what we providing. Okay, so we always provide these high quality videos only because we are studying online. It's education. Okay, so if you get interest, then it is very good to understand some things. Okay, so the concepts like, okay, so we have maximum power transfer theorem in electrical engineering, right? Okay, in circuit subject. So to understand these things, so there is a concentration in AC. Okay, so I'm talking about a maximum power transfer theorem in AC. So you need maximum concentration. Okay, so and one more thing, so to understand about the power electronic converters, I'm just teaching about, for example, okay, so 3-phase rectifier I'm teaching and the firing angle is equals to 30 degrees. So then you have to understand the waveforms properly. To understand all these things, what you have to do? You have to get more interest. That's why we always provide these high quality videos. Okay, and you may get doubt. Okay, so I will be watching. If I get doubt, what I have to do? Okay, so just watch again. Is there any watching limit for us? No watching limit at all. Okay, you watch again. Even if you don't get, you have to ask us. Okay, so we are the lecturers who can help you every time. Okay, so immediately you have to just call us or even message us, sir, I have some doubt in this concept. We will be rectifying every time. And even more, okay, so there are so continuously, okay, so there are doubt clearing sessions. We are providing the doubt clearing sessions also. Why doubt clearing sessions are important means, definitely, so here only you will be getting what kind of doubts you will be getting. Everybody will ask the doubts, right? So you will be clearing. Okay, we will be clearing all these doubts. At that time you will understand, okay, so what is the in-depth mistakes we can do, what are the different types of mistakes we can do, you will understand in these sessions. Okay, so and remember one thing, so we have to write down this test series for your self practice and your self improvement in the exam also. Okay, so and remember, so all our faculties, okay, including me, so we are all from NITs or IITs only. Okay, so we got the GATE ranks, very good GATE ranks. That's why we teach here. Okay, so we are from NITs or IITs and we have the experience. Okay, so personally I have the experience of 6 years in the field of GATE and I have been training this many students. Okay, so all over the India. Okay, so you will see the quality of our classes. Okay, so you remember one thing, every exam, okay, so not exam, every subject we will be providing this previous year questions. Okay, so that's why, so our students, okay, so they will be getting clear cut idea about all these subjects. Okay, so this is what our Tuteetute means. Okay, so remember one thing, so never delay your preparation. Okay, so one day, okay, so some function is there, okay, so I will be delaying. No, okay, so you have to go, you have to spend on yourself, there is no problem. But remember, you should never stop your preparation. Okay, so every day you have to prepare. Okay, so that is what our GATE exam preparation. Okay, so anyway, all the best and you will definitely get succeed whenever you plan properly. Okay, so planning is more important compared to any other thing. Okay, so thank you so much, all the best.